Welcome back to Aesthetics Magazine. Find more skincare resources at aestheticsmagazine.com. In today's episode, we will be discussing makeup. Makeup, sanitization and hygiene. Sanitization is the process of reducing the number of microorganisms on a clean surface to safe levels. Hygiene refers to the practices or activities that help in maintaining health and preventing the spread of diseases. In the aesthetics industry, we use makeup products on different clients. Cross-contamination is the transfer of germs and bacteria from one person, place, or object to another. In order to prevent cross-contamination, makeup products and tools must be properly sanitized and cleaned between every use, and both the esthetician and client's personal hygiene be maintained properly. In the industry, makeup sanitization and hygiene are one of the most important practices that all beauty professionals must be aware of to safeguard the health of themselves and their clients. Makeup products carry a high risk of contamination and can lead to many bacterial and allergic reactions on the skin. Bacterial infection, pink eye, and cold sores are some of the common infections that can arise due to cross-contamination because lots of treatments involve the use of makeup. It can be direct through using contaminated products or indirect, like if the artist has picked up germs on their hands and then transferred them onto the product. Easy ways to prevent the risk of cross-infection include washing the hands between each client, checking expiry dates of products, using disposable applicators, and ensuring work surfaces and the products with which you come into close contact are regularly cleaned. Every makeup session should start out with clean hands, clean work surfaces, clean tools, and sanitizing the face and any skin that makeup will be applied to, as well as application of disposable items occurs. Personal hygiene is something that beauty professionals must be mindful of at all times. No matter how young or old, large or small the team or business is, every member should share the aim to operate in a safe and sanitized environment. Coats, handbags, and phones can be potential reservoirs for germs, and their use in the working environment should be carefully managed. Makeup sanitation, if properly executed, will definitely reduce the risk of skin infections and irritations. Makeup should be checked periodically to see if anything has become contaminated, and all makeup should be discarded if it has come into contact with anybody that has an infectious eye condition. The main regulations with regard to making sure makeup is not stored or applied in a way that may affect the health or hygiene of the client are mainly centered around two key parts. Makeup must not be stored in a fridge that is also used for food. This is to prevent any possibility of contamination, and providing a safe, clean environment is always the priority. All used or soiled applicators and brushes must be cleaned and sanitized after use. For example, brushes and sponges should be washed with warm soapy water and then sprayed with isopropyl alcohol. This is important, as this will help in removing and killing bacteria, and this routine will help in preventing the possibility of the makeup material being spoiled. Makeup products themselves should also be sanitized regularly, both for the safety of the client and the makeup artist. All of the surface layers of the product should be removed, and the top layer of the makeup should be sprayed with isopropyl alcohol. This means that any potential bacteria and germs are killed off, and this provides a sanitary environment for each client makeup application. It's time to level up your skincare product expertise. Are you confident explaining vitamins A, C, and E to your clients? Stop guessing. Get the Essential Guide by Greg Risha, Understanding Vitamins in Skincare. Get your copy today at aestheticsmagazine.com.